Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of D2, chapter number 14, exercise 14C, that is about operations on sets. In this lesson, I will solve question number 1, basic level. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we have to understand, that what are the operations between two sets. In this lesson, I will discuss the operation of intersection, and we have to understand what is the meaning of term intersection. Intersection means the common elements, and then we have to understand the relationship between two sets. If you find any difficulty between the relations of sets, or the what type of the relationship between the sets we are having, you can watch my previous lesson, for which I'll give the link in the description box. Let's move to D part of the question. And D part says that universal is the letters of the English alphabets. So it means that in universal, all the English alphabets will be coming, and then in set A, the consonants of word mathematics will be coming, and in set B, the consonants of word statistics we have to write. So first of all, it's important to understand that what are the consonants and what are vowels. A, E, I, O and U, these are the vowels. So I have to pick up the consonants of mathematics. It means I will not be taking A, E and I from this set. So set A will take the form, set A will take the form, or set A will have the elements M, that's the consonant. Then I do not have to take A, T, and then H. M I have already written, so I will not be repeating the element. And then A is the vowel, T I have already written, I is the vowel, and then C and S. These are the consonants from word mathematics, and then I have to pick up the consonants from the word statistics. Again, I'm cancelling the vowels. A is the vowel here, I is the vowel, so I will not be picking up these elements. Okay, and now set B will contain the elements, that is B is statistics, S. Then I can have T. A I'm not going to take. Then T I already have written, I. S is already written, T is already written. And then what we can see, I is already written, and C, S, T and C. So the consonants from word B are S, T and C. S, yes, T is repeating, S is repeating, and C. Now if we observe both the sets carefully, we can see that S is in both the sets, T is in both the sets, and C is in both the sets. In other words, set B is completely contained in set A, or set B is the subset of set A. So when I will be going to the Venn diagram, I have to mark set B here and set A over here, and B will contain the elements S, T and C, and set A, S, T and C, S, T and C, and A will left with M and H only. Now, as we know that intersection means the common elements, and if we observe both the sets, we can see that S, T and C, which is actually set B, is the common set or the common elements. So what I'm going to do, in order to show the intersection, I will be shading this smaller circle, which is actually set B, and this is the situation of A intersection B for this question. To the solution of this question with the help of formula. So what I will be doing, I will be writing A intersection B equals to M T, H, C and S intersection, S, T and C, S, T and C, as the intersection means common elements only. So the common elements are S, T, T and C, A intersection B, S, T and C, and which is equal to the subset which is equal to B. So I hope you are clear about this question. And before moving to the next question, we have to write the remaining elements in the universal as well. As the sets are beginning with M, S and T, so I have to write the elements of universal A, B, C is coming here, D, then E, and then I have given the pattern. So what I can do, I can write the dot dot dot, and I can write the last element of the set. I hope you are clear about this question, and let's move to the next part. The next part is the set A contains the elements that says the letters are word universal. Letters are word universal. And set B contains letters of word probability. So it means, first of all, I have to write the set A and B in its elements form. I have to write the letters of universal. So U, the first letter will be U, then N, I, V, E, R. No letter is repeating, so I have to write all the elements. S, S, A. If any element will be repeating, then we will not be writing that element again, because the set has to be the well defined. Okay, moving to set B, letters of probability. So the first letter will be P, and then R, O, B, A, B is again coming, then I, L, I have already written, and then T, and then Y. Okay, after writing both the sets, what we have to do, we have to see carefully that which letters are common in both the sets. So here, if we look at U, so U is not in the probability, N is not in the probability, but if we look at I is coming at both the places. I is coming at both the places. So I have to encircle this element so that I can determine that what type of relationship is between the sets I, and then we can see V is not coming, E is not coming, R is coming at both the places. So I can encircle this element as well, R, and then the next element which is coming at both the places is L. So we can see that RIL, these are the letters which are common in both the sets, and rest both the sets are having different elements. So it's important to understand that what type of relationship will be there between the sets. It will be the overlapping relationship, and I will write I, R, and L at the overlapping portion, and remaining elements of set A, that is U, N, V, then E, R I have written over here, E, R, S, and then A as well. A as well is common. A is common. So I will write A as well at the intersectional portion. So S, and then A, and then L already I have written over here. And coming to set B, P I will write over here, then R is written here, then O will be written in set B, and then B, A is written in the common portion, I is written in the common portion, L is written in the common portion, T, and Y. So I hope you are clear that how we are finding the relationship between the sets and how we are filling up the elements at the respective places. Now we have to write the remaining elements of universal as well. So as the sets are containing the letter A, so the remaining elements of universal will not begin with A. B as well is here. So A, B, and then I have to pick up C, then D. I have given the idea that the universal will not have the elements C and D, sorry, A and B, then C, D, E is coming over here. I will not write E, and then F and G, and after that you can put dot 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 and you can write the last element of the universal because the set is containing many elements. Now the question and the problem was to find the intersection, and we know intersection means the common elements only, and in case of overlapping sets, the portion which is overlapped by both the sets, so this will be the common region for both the sets, and this will be the intersection situation for this question. Let me write A intersection B here, and now let's come to the question and find the intersection with the help of formula. What I have to do, I have to write A intersection B equals to, then I have to write the elements of A, that is U, N, I, V, E, R, S, A, L, then intersection, and then I have to write the elements of set B, P, R, O, B, A, I, L, T, and Y, and then I have to see, I already have identified the common letters, that is R, A, I, L. So the common letters are R, A, I, and L, which is the answer of A intersection B for this situation. I hope you are clear about this question. And let's move to F part of the question. And set A for this situation is the vowels in the word transformation, and in set B the vowels in the word combination. So first of all, I have to write elements of set A, and I have to pick up vowels from transformation. We know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, and U. So I just have to pick up these letters from the given words. So the first vowel is A, then O, and then I will not be writing the elements which are repeating. So A will be the first vowel from the transformation, A, and then what I have to do, A, O, and I, A, O, and I, these are the three vowels from set A, and coming to set B, again I have to pick up the vowels from combination. So the first vowel that I have to pick up from combination is O, I, and A. O, I, and A, or I can write it in order form, that is A, and then O, and then I. Okay, after writing the sets, what we have to do, we have to observe both the sets carefully. We can see that after picking up the vowels from the transformation or vowels from the word combination, both the sets A and B are the same sets. A and B are the same sets. So we are not going to have two different sets. So in this case, what and how we are going to draw the Venn diagram? Here we have to write A equals to B, and the elements are A, O, and I, and when I will be taking the intersection, as intersection means the common elements only, so what we will be doing, we will be writing A intersection B will be equal to either set A or set B, because both the sets are same, A, O, I, or intersection A, O, I. So when the two sets are equal, their intersection will be equal to set itself. I hope you are clear about this situation. Now what I have to do when I will be showing this situation in the Venn diagram, this is the intersection region. This is a common region. So I'll be shading at this portion nicely, and I have to mark A intersection B over here. And now I have to write the remaining elements of universal here. Okay, as I already have written A in the subset, so I'll begin the elements of universal with B, then C, then D, and then E. Now we have given the pattern, so it means that universal will not have set A, B, C, D, E, and then we will not be writing I, J, K, L, M, and in this way we can write the last element. I hope you are clear about today's lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.